In this video, I'll be showing you how to send a iMessage with effects, which makes sending iMessages more fun. You may wonder what this is. The best way to explain it is by showing you. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. First, you want to go into iMessage. Then you want to choose a contact. Then you want to open the keyboard and type what you want to say. Once you have typed what you want to say, you want to hold down on the send button until it comes to this. When you send an iMessage to another Apple user, you can send it with different animations or effects. On here, you have got two different effects, bubble and screen. Then you have got the bubble effects. Use these dots here to choose the one that you want or see what it looks like. This is slam, loud, gentle. Then you have got invisible ink. Whenever you send or receive an invisible ink iMessage, rub your finger over it to see what it says. Then you have got the screen. The screen shows you background animations that can be added to your iMessage. You can swipe left or right to see the animations. To send a bubble or screen effect, tap the send button here. Then it will send. Now I will show you what it looks like when you receive it or someone else, and show you how to replay it. This is what it looks like when you receive a message with effect, and you can always replay it by tapping here. I can do it as many times as you like. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.